Hi, Christine Toney with Essentially Styled. Today I just wanted to show you a quick, easy, and comfortable ponytail using one mini flexi clip. So I'm going to show you first how I have it in a straight back style. The hair is wrapped around and there is no elastic. So I'm going to show you how easy this is to do. And again, I'm using a mini extra small flexi clip. They come in a variety of colors and styles, from really simple, all silver, very plain, with just the loops, to very ornate, really blinging clips. So the style is up to you, the color is up to you. This is one of my favorites, blues. This is called Montana, and it is one of my favorites. I wear it in all the sizes, up to medium. But it goes clear up to the extra large, which is a mega. If you have lots of hair that you wear up, but that would be for a lot of hair. So this is a mini, and there are lots of things you can do with a mini. You can also pull just a little bit of hair back with a mini, but today I'm going to show you the ponytail. And you are not using an elastic with these styles. And you can do it as a side pony or a straight back pony. So what you're going to do, I'm going to show you the straight back version first. You're going to pull your hair into I typically like a low pony, although you can pull it higher on your head if you like. Then I separate out a little bit of hair. Okay, it doesn't have to be much. And then I'm going to wrap that hair around my ponytail. Again, no elastics to pull or damage your hair. I usually like to wrap it around till the very end is underneath the bottom of that, or you can wrap it around to just secure it at the top. Sometimes you might need to tuck or pin that little bit of hair in if it's going to stick out. But you're going to take the pin of the flexi and you're going to slide that along that band that you just created. Okay, so the decorative part is going to be over. Catch that pin on the other side and slide that down. And that is going to hold your hair very securely. It's not pulling on your scalp, but it will stay all day. So it is one of my favorite ways to wear a ponytail. And then another version that you can do using that same mini, you can do the same thing with a side pony. Now there are certain ways, and some days I have better luck than others, but with just even twisting my hair around itself, just kind of twisting, and then I take a little bit of that and secure it, close to my head there with just a little bit, and that holds it all tucked in to where it comes around the side. You can do that also. Sometimes, depending on how full my hair is or how thick, what wash day it is, I might need an extra small. But I generally like using the minis for that. So I'm going to show a quick side pony. And this is if your jewelry's not real busy, but you want something to show on the front, do the same thing. And you're just going to wrap that hair around. And depending on how much hair you take, determines how thick your band is going to be. So you want to watch those ends to make sure they're not going to stick out. So sometimes I will need to redo it. Trying to do this without a mirror to see. Generally you can do it without a mirror. You just catch that there. Now that's going to want to spin on me. So I need to position that. And a lot of times it will roll like it did there, so you can't see it. Now if you don't like it seen, that's another option. You can also do this with bobby pins, but I'm going to try and do that again a little further out so that it will be seen. So you kind of have to watch the twist and how it rolls. But it's just a fun way to wear a side pony without an elastic. It's not pulling on your scalp, and it's super comfortable all day hold. So another option for ponytails with Little Rose, there's really limitless ways to comfortably wear ponytails with Little Rose. So if you have any questions, let me know. Be sure and give it a like and a follow and subscribe if you would like to see more uses for minis, U-pins, flexis, hair sticks. Just give it a subscribe. Thanks. We'll talk to you later. Bye.